Today's digital world demands a robust, scalable, and secure infrastructure for businesses to thrive. Enter cloud hosting, a game-changing solution that is redefining the standards of online performance and reliability. In this comprehensive guide, we will demystify cloud hosting, exploring its types, benefits, practical applications, and addressing common concerns. Cloud hosting is a revolutionary approach to web hosting that utilizes a vast network of servers to store and manage your data. Unlike traditional hosting, which relies on a single physical server, cloud hosting leverages the power of virtualization, enabling you to scale your resources up or down as needed. With cloud hosting, your data is replicated across multiple servers, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance. If one server experiences an issue, your website or application will continue to function seamlessly, as it will automatically switch over to a backup server. There are three primary types of cloud hosting. Public cloud hosting, which is the most popular and cost-effective option, uses shared resources across multiple users, offering scalability and cost efficiency. Private cloud hosting, on the other hand, is tailored to a single organization, providing enhanced security and control over your data and applications. For enterprises with specific compliance requirements, hybrid cloud hosting combines the flexibility of public cloud with the security of private cloud, offering the best of both worlds. Now let's delve into the myriad benefits of cloud hosting. Firstly, cloud hosting is highly scalable. With cloud hosting, you can easily scale your resources to meet fluctuating demands. Whether you're experiencing a sudden surge in traffic or expanding your operations, cloud hosting allows you to adjust your resources seamlessly. This scalability ensures that your website or application performs optimally at all times without any upfront investments in additional hardware. Secondly, cloud hosting is extremely cost-efficient. By eliminating the need for on-premise servers, hardware, and IT staff, cloud hosting significantly reduces your capital expenditure. Additionally, most cloud providers offer a pay-as-you-go model, allowing you to pay only for the resources you consume. This flexibility optimizes your expenses and ensures that you're not locked into long-term contracts or wasting resources. Next, cloud hosting boasts unparalleled reliability. With cloud hosting, your data and applications are replicated across multiple servers, ensuring high availability even in the event of server failures. Providers prioritize redundancy and implement measures to minimize downtime. As a result, your website or application will have an exceptional uptime, reducing the risk of service interruptions and enhancing the user experience. Security is a paramount concern for any business, and cloud hosting providers invest heavily in robust security measures. From data encryption to regular security audits, these providers implement industry-standard protocols to safeguard your sensitive information. They leverage advanced technologies to detect and prevent security breaches, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on your core business functions. So how does cloud hosting actually work? Cloud hosting leverages virtualization to create multiple isolated environments on a single physical server. Each user or application has its own virtual server, ensuring resource allocation and preventing conflicts. Users access these virtual servers over the internet, and cloud providers manage the underlying hardware, ensuring optimal performance and security. Load balancing distributes traffic across servers for scalability and high availability. Auto-scaling capabilities enable automatic adjustments to server resources based on demand, ensuring that your application performs optimally during traffic spikes. Let's address some common concerns regarding cloud hosting. Many businesses worry about the security of their data and applications in a shared environment. However, reputable cloud hosting providers implement stringent security measures, including data encryption, access controls, and regular security assessments to safeguard your information. Additionally, they often comply with industry security standards such as SOC 2 and ISO 27001, giving you the assurance that your data is in good hands. Another concern is data control. When your data is stored on servers managed by a third-party provider, it's essential to ensure data sovereignty in compliance with regulations like GDPR. When choosing a cloud hosting provider, look for providers with data centers in your region that comply with local data regulations and provide adequate control over your data. Finally, let's discuss the various use cases for cloud hosting. E-commerce sites that experience seasonal traffic spikes, such as during Black Friday, benefit greatly from cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, you can handle sudden surges in traffic without worrying about website crashes or slowdowns. SaaS providers that offer applications or software over the internet rely on cloud hosting to deliver high-performance applications globally. Cloud hosting ensures that users have a seamless experience regardless of their location. Content delivery networks, CDNs, leverage cloud hosting to ensure fast content delivery worldwide. By catching content on servers around the globe, CDNs can reduce latency and improve the user experience for content-rich websites and streaming services. When choosing a cloud hosting provider, consider factors such as uptime guarantees, customer support, and scalability options. Read reviews, request demos, and assess the provider's reputation and track record. Evaluate your specific requirements and select a provider that aligns with your business goals and technical specifications. In conclusion, cloud hosting represents a paradigm shift in digital infrastructure, offering unprecedented scalability, cost efficiency, and reliability. As businesses continue to embrace digital transformation, adopting cloud hosting solutions can be a strategic move towards sustainable growth and resilience. By understanding the benefits, use cases, and addressing common concerns, businesses can harness the power of cloud hosting and drive innovation while mitigating risks. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the future of digital infrastructure. If you found this article insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Together, let's navigate the ever-evolving technological landscape and shape a brighter digital future.